Business DP World took steps to distance itself from Dubai's trouble, saying it's not included in the restructuring process. So just how far down do these debt troubles reach? Let's cross live to the Emirates and ask our reporter Vivian Salama, who joins us right now. Vivian, just take us through the latest. What's going on today then?
It's a holiday here today, and so a lot of people are really starting it off on a slightly sour note, just given all the developments from yesterday. Of course, DP World, a unit of Dubai World, has said that it is not part of this restructuring process trying to distance itself from the troubles and possibly from the shakeup and the repercussions that could follow. Of course, yesterday, late last night and early this morning, depending on where you are, S&P and Moody's downgraded several Dubai companies and said that if creditors do not agree to a postponement of the debt repayment due on December 14th for the Nakheel bond, Islamic bond, then the company is technically in default. So this is obviously sending shockwaves, as you say, rattling investor confidence, and really could have a major impact on many other companies here in the Emirates.
And the region as well, Vivian. There are implications for the wider region. What are these?
We already saw it yesterday. Credit default swaps shooting up, not just here, but everywhere in the region, from Qatar to Saudi Arabia. Of course, we could see an even greater spike in the credit default swaps. A lot of people really saying that it's going to get more and more expensive to protect investors against risk here, shaking confidence, and down the line just really hurting the reputation. Whoa. Just as we were starting to think that recovery was in sight and the worst of the crisis was over. Certainly a bad start to a long holiday weekend. The bond market was rattled yesterday, and we'll see how the stock market reacts when it reopens after the holiday on Monday.
I suppose one of the obvious questions is, Vivian, did investors see this coming?
I have to tell you, yesterday when we found out that that Dubai was able to raise the $5 billion on the bond, there was a lot of euphoria. It didn't last very long. A lot of people saying that they just did not see this coming. A lot of shock, a lot of dismay, and a lot of worries for what is to come.
Vivian, thanks a lot. More from you later. Vivian Salama there. Now a day of reckoning for Britain's bankers. All the talk, the consultations, and the politics have boiled down to this. The Walker report delivered to the UK government. Its author, a Morgan Stanley senior advisor, says